Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use desktop stickers on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's easy. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and open Registry Editor. Go to the key H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Policy Manager, current and device. Now, under device, we need to create a new key named stickers. But first of all, check if the key exists. Okay. So right click on device, select new key stickers. Okay, in the right pane, create a DWORD 32-bit entry named enable stickers. Right click new DWORD 32-bit value enable stickers. Hit enter. Double click on it and change the value data to 1 and hit enter. And this will enable desktop stickers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.